Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to show you how you can actually fix the green color issue in the iQOO 7 device while playing the PUBG Newstead game. Yes friends, I did post a couple of videos explaining about the green color issues going on in this device. So I did show you the settings as well, what are the graphics I'm trying to use and everything, all the changes. Even I did use a Vulkan and OpenGL, everything I did try but nothing worked. But I did listen to the few of the comments which I got for the videos. So a few of the users did ask me to do one thing. They did ask me to change the display settings. Because in the display settings, sometimes I did use the custom options and the low quality option and high quality option. They did ask me to use a balance settings. So try to use the balance settings and try to restart the game and try to check. So this kind of problem can be fixed. That's what I'm going to demonstrate, friends. And it's a quick fix how you can actually fix in this iQOO 7 device. So in case if you're using any kind of display enhancement option, always keep it in the balanced. Only then you'll be able to play the game. If you keep in the high quality or different settings, you will get the green color error in this PUBG Newstead. Not only in this phone, even with other phones as well. Maybe if you have any kind of display enhancement options enabled, then definitely make sure to disable those. So right now, as you can see, friends, I did clear. I did not use any kind of high quality, low quality, custom, nothing at all. I just kept in the balanced mode only. If you want, you can enable and disable this game display enhancement. That's not a problem. So right now I did enable, and now let's see what happens with the green color. So now the green color should be completely gone. As you can see, now the green color is not there at all. So that's a quick fix, friends, which thank you for the comments which I did receive from few of the users. So not only from one, not only from two, I did get from plenty of comments. I think close to 30-40 users. They did reply me a similar kind of solution. That's the reason I was unable to show all the names. So because it's not kind of fair to show one name and not showing all the names. But definitely thank you for all the viewers who did comment saying me how to fix this kind of issue, because it's kind of bothering me from the beginning as well. So finally we got the solution how to fix it, friends, and let me know in the comments what are your thoughts on this particular topic. So are you still facing this kind of issues or not? In what are the phones you are actually facing this kind of problems? So is there any other phones you are facing this kind of similar issues or not? Let me know in the comment section below. And so now it doesn't matter, friends, what kind of graphics you use, still you will be able to play the game at a really very good high quality setting. So always try to keep the display settings in the balanced mode in the iQOO 7 device. Then you will be able to play the game properly without any kind of issues. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.